Hello YouTubers, got BMW 330E, and today I got my shadow light. It's a logo light for the door. It's installed right here, that way there, and I got the new one. That's a shadow light. Comes with two lights and the wire. And let's see what we got. We got the shadow light 3D, and to install it we need a flat screwdriver. Comes with extension wire. Two lights. Let's remove the old one. Right, to remove the old one, you need to pop the screwdriver on one side, this side. And just pull it up. Here you go. Now we need to disconnect the connector. Disconnect that one, and it's free. This is the connector that needs to be connected to the new one. Right, this is the old one. It's a new one. The size looks similar. What I need to do is to connect this wire into the new one. It's just a push type. Yes, push it in. Yeah, it's connected. It's ready to go now. Right. This is the new one, and then it needs to connect to this wire here. Now it is connected. You can see the light is on. That's the shadow. See? And now we just need to put it back. Push it in position, and it is there. Awesome.